What's up traders, welcome to another live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. Another live streaming. Before we start the stream, before we start trading, smash the like button now, and also if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Every day we live stream, we trade live in this market. You have seen probably a couple of days, most of the trade that I discussed in this live stream became incredibly winning trade, and those who made money, don't forget to smash the like button. If you haven't made yet, don't worry, stick till the end. We might find quite a few trading opportunity, and as long as you manage risk, this is the number one money making channel. If you don't manage your risk, you might lose your money. So this is an educational channel as well as helping traders to make money and learn from this channel. Now on the right hand side, you will find the chat box where you can write everything you want, including any story, any question you have, even what you feel. We all are friendly here, so we'll talk. I see that Pawin join ARV. Let's go, brother. Yes, ARV. Wish you all you good day. That's great. Mila also joined. Good morning, Nizam. Happy to be here. Thank you, Mila, for joining. Mark, good morning from Florida, USA. Thank you, Mark, from Sydney. So Coin Bro, hi, thank you for joining. Rabi, hello, let's learn, let's trade. That's great. We are a great team. So I got a request from quite a few of you to analyze AUD USD, that which I haven't done yet. So let's start with AUD USD. Now I see that AUD USD might give us a short-term trading opportunity. So let's begin what's happening with AUD USD. Now what you see that AUD USD, this is the 4-hour time frame, and it is just on this level of support. Okay, so what you saw that the price basically creating narrow dodges on this support. Now what I am almost certain about, if this current candle cannot, which looks like it will not be able to break the high, the previous one, we might see AUD USD sliding down. How much we are not sure, but it will slide down from here at certain distance. I think if I go to the monthly high, let me draw the monthly low. So this is the monthly low, and I think that AUD USD could drop. Let me draw the weekly low. So this is the weekly low. Okay, and I think AUD USD will drop somewhere here and then may started to spike again. So there is a 20 period moving average, you see. So it could happen that AUD USD today drop somewhere here around 0.7450 and test the 20 period moving average, and then spike again to the upside. So as long as this candle closes as a doji here, I will send the VIP channels to for a short term, maybe 1-to-1 trade. So we'll take a trade, but if it goes up, close here as a green candle, big one, then we'll not take anything. So this is the situation with AUD USD. So let's see what Forex Sensi. Okay, Harvey, thank you for your title. That's great to hear. What strategies did you use, sir? Thank you for joining Celebrities Lifestyle TV. The name, I don't know your name exactly, but wish that your name is something like that, celebrity. J Pablo, the strategy I use is I can't share my strategy. No one will share their strategy for free, but if you want to join lifetime access, you will be learning that with us and also earning money. Trader Boomer, good afternoon. Trader Boomer, doing a good job. Thank you, Trader Boomer. Madhu, hello sir. Everyone is doing a good job. Thank you for all of your support to this channel, and I really feel motivated when you guys and girls are with me. We will beat the market every day. That's really great. Charles, Euro CHF seems bullish. Should I close my trade? Okay, let's see. Well, I will go through all of them and I will advise one by one. Shiva, I saw many of you joined today. That's great. Slim 3, good morning. Let's get started. Okay, you guys and girls start writing. I will be starting. So we have already discussed AUD USD. So let's see some of the hottest pairs going on: Euro dollar, GBP USD, and then we'll go back to we'll come back one by one. So Euro dollar. Okay, Euro dollar. Some of you saying that Euro CHF looking okay. Let's see Euro CHF. We are running a trade on Euro CHF. I think still it's bearish. Okay, I don't think it's bullish. It's bearish because this is normal trading. This happen. It could be bullish. Trading, everything is possible in trading, as I told you, but still I'm bearish on Euro CHF. If you go to the daily time frame, why am I bullish? Let me explain. So we are running trade on Euro CHF, as I explained. Let me delete this. So you see that in Euro CHF, what happened, that the price, this is the daily chart, okay, and there has been a level of support here. Okay, there is a support here on the daily time frame, and you see this support acted as a support in the past in many areas. So there is a support here, there is a support here, there is a support here. Now with this red candle, this support basically tested, broken. Okay, so when you see support broken, you can expect this support to be tested as a resistance. That's why Euro CHF looks like went up on the daily, and then we saw a rejection. Now today, what happened? Let's see 4 hour. You see the same situation happened. After the first rejection, the price went up to the neck, to the tummy of this previous red candle, and then we saw another bearish engulfer. Now this current one also, you saw that it's here. So this is the normal situation in the market. You might not say always, starting one candle close, the other one open. Not always like this. Okay, I will create a separate video to track this kind of trade signal, but not always like this. So it could, it could even go up here from here to the upside, and then can start drop. So I'm still bearish on Euro CHF because long term, if you see the monthly, okay, you see this is the monthly chart, which is highly bearish. This doji is a perfectly bearish candle. Okay, so in cases we might, if it goes up, it will break the monthly high and it will drop again, because in such a bearish market, it is not highly unlikely that Euro CHF will continue to go up. It might go up for a little bit, but the overall market structure is bearish. So let's see weekly as well. What we saw on the weekly, that Euro CHF are dropped, but as I told you, because there is a strong bullish candle here, we could see a spike to the upside. But as a trader, as I told you, no one can give you 100% guarantee. You have to take a side, and then you have to wait for the market to do its job. So thank you for all of you for joining. I see that many of you joined in the chat. Dollar yen, Madhu ask for, let's see, Robbie good explanation for Euro CHF. Okay, Euro USD, let's see, we'll go to the Euro USD. Coin Bureau, my challenge is how do you scan the pairs to look for a tradable opportunity. Okay, so Coin Bureau asked that how do I scan the pairs to look for trading opportunities. So what I do basically, I first, when I open when I start my trading, because every day I go through all the pairs. Actually, it's in my head that what candle form, which way the market trend. So I don't need to take much time. So first what I do, as soon as I sit on my desk, I see the, let's say, 4 hour time frame, 4 hour candle, and quickly I see the market structure, and then slowly I try to understand. So one pair I first 4-hour open, and then daily, go through daily, and then weekly, like this. So once I go through like that, then I started to understand where the market is moving, and then slowly I create a short list, and from there I choose what to trade. So let's see again, Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar looks like that it's trying to create a bearish price action. Okay, let's see, we'll progress through it. AUD and ZD also, it's still bullish, so we'll go through all of them. So let's see euro dollar, as I mentioned. So euro dollar and euro CHF, same thing. So what I think that euro dollar, you see, this is the situation now. It could be bullish. It could start to create a head and shoulder and start to move up, but as you know that this is a long-term bearish market. Until I see visible reversal pattern, I would be in the short side. Now let's the market do its job, because the market will never move in a straight direction. It will move up and down like that. So euro dollar is still bearish, and let's see how the market opens. The market does its job because it's a bearish price action. And also, if I draw a channel here on euro dollar, if you see that, let's draw this channel on euro dollar. You see this channel is very, very clearly visible on euro dollar, and I think that euro dollar, you see, so what you saw, that there was a big breakout from this channel to the upside, and then came back to this channel again, right? So this channel. Now what I think that euro dollar is trying to do, see, this is the bottom of the channel. So when price moves in a channel, price moves like this, right? So because it came at the bottom of the channel, okay, it will go test the top of the channel and will come back to the bottom, and it may move in this fashion and then break down. Okay, as I told you, anytime I could be wrong. It could easily move up, so high probability that it will remain within this channel and move like that, and at some point maybe break down, or maybe at least come to this level of support with this channel. So that's what normally happens when the price approaches very, very important level of, so this is a very, very important level of support. When the price approaches an important level of support, the price does this all the time. It creates a channel and then moves in the direction. So euro dollar currently, this is the situation after this bearish engulfer. We see that there is a spike to the upside. Euro CHF also doing the same. So let's see what happened next. Now GBP USD. Now GBP USD, as you see that all the currency pair against USD is trying to be stronger. So GBP USD, but I think still this one also bearish. You see this is a bearish pattern. If you see there is a move down and then has created this triangular pattern. So this is basically a bearish price action, and I think that GBP USD finally will break down. Okay, so it's still bearish. So US 100 Slim 3 requested. Let's see. Celebrities lifestyle, please sir, your trading strategies. Celebrities, I can't give you my trading strategies, but stay with us. See, I'm giving everything. I'm giving you the education, I'm giving you learning, I'm giving you the the everything you need to become a trader. But the strategy that I have in my website, that people are paying for it, and I can't reveal that kind of strategy for free. But you don't need a strategy to become a profitable. You need to learn first the education. When you make money, then you can do anything. You can join, or you can whatever you want to do. There is always an opportunity there. So I think that let's see, USD will go for reversal. Madhu asked for a question. Let's see dollar yen, and then I will go to US 100. and then we'll see gold. All of them we'll see one by one. So make sure, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also smash the like button. So don't forget to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button, so that you don't miss out every day. There's a lot of things I post in this channel, so that you don't miss any of them. So let's see British dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen is again started to be bullish. As I told you yesterday, I expected dollar yen to drop to this level of support. Okay, to this level of support, but dollar yen again continue to be bullish. It's a very, very strongly bullish market. As you see that it is creating again bullish price action. Okay, we'll discuss Euro AUD as well, Mr. Just. So first let's see dollar yen. So dollar yen is also bullish. It's continue to be bullish. So let's see Euro AUD. I'll primarily I'm saying, and then I'll do complete analysis how we can trade them and what's happening. Just quickly, let me give you a review of what's happening. So Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD, you see it's still not sure how the price action will move. It's a overall bearish market, so I think that is still bearish. But let me tell you something. 4 hour. So you see this this candle. Now, if for example, if this current 4 hourly candle, this green candle cannot, that's how I normally trade the market. I can't say, for example, I don't predict the market, okay, it will go there, not like that. I just watch the price action and try to understand what will be the next step. So now Euro AUD is kind of reversal pattern, you know. So this is there is a double bottom here, went up, the price action looks like reversing. There is a green candle here, there is a red candle here, looks like a double bottom and head and shoulder, and that's how normally reversal happen. So it could happen that Euro AUD reversed, okay, from here, or it could go up at certain level, let's say to this level, and could come back again, or it could drop from here. I need to see further price action, but let's see how this candle closes. Okay, then we'll discuss. Let the time progress, and let's see how the price action is reacting, then we'll discuss it. Okay, so let's see US 100. Let's see how it is doing. Now US 100, as yesterday from here, as I mentioned, it is going to be bearish, and that is what it has done. So let's see. First of all, I need to see the multi-time frame. This is the daily time frame. So US 100 on this daily time frame, currently it is on a level of support. So let's draw this level of support. So it's look like it's breaking down. Let's see monthly. Okay, monthly, after this hanging man, the price moving down. Let's see weekly. Okay, so weekly, so far we have seen a bearish candle. Let's see weekly, daily. So daily, the price is creating, it is still bearish. Okay, it's still bearish, but let's see what's happening, because you see there has been a double top in this zone, and the price broke down. So when you see this kind of double top and breakdown, you can expect further lower. So if it wants to be bullish, I think that US 30 needs to test this neckline. You see, because when the price was going up, the price has created this double bottom and went up. So when you see the price creates a double bottom like that, okay, and rise up, you can expect the price to come back again, test this previous resistance as a support to continue its trend. So with that being said, I think US 30 will come further down to this level, and then if it wants to change its trend, it will change its trend. So which looks like that. Let me draw this level. So I think that if you go to the 4 hour time frame, and from here it could drop another spike to the downside. Let's see what happened. But to trade, you need to wait for this level to be broken and candle to be closed down. Then we can expect it to drop further lower to this level. So this is the situation with US 100. So let's see what else. Usdjpy analysis explanation, please. Okay, Usdjpy, let's do a little more dissect on it. Usdjpy is an important pair. So Usdjpy, very simple. This is an overall bullish market. Okay, so overall bullish market. I tried to catch today the drop, but I couldn't. So what happened? I didn't drop here. I thought that it will drop to this level. Anyway, so what happened? Usdjpy is an overall bullish market. Now from here we saw that Usdjpy created a double bottom here. Okay, double bottom, and then started to move up. So now it has impulse correction, impulse little correction. Now we can expect Usdjpy to move like that. So this is an uptrending market structure creating series of higher high and higher low. So this is the explanation for Usdjpy, that it is bullish and continue to be bullish. Looks like it will go bullish. So let's see what else. Mila asked for Euro AUD. As we have already discussed Euro AUD, let's go back again Euro AUD and see how it is doing. So as I told you, Euro AUD sometime, market tricks us. Like it looks like it created a false breakout. Okay, it created a false breakout and then started to reverse like that. That's how reversal happened. But ultimately sometime again come back from here. But the way price action now created, it looks like a reversal. Okay, why? First of all, you see there is a double bottom here. There is a double bottom. First thing. Second thing is, you see this this green candle, it basically crossed 2-3 candles and then close above. So this kind of candle is very, very powerful. Okay, so and then what you saw, back to back strongly Euro AUD started to travel up. Okay, so and also you see there has been a level of support here. Let me draw this level of support. Okay, and that support, this is support here, and also support here, broke to the downside, created a double bottom and then went above, and now above the level of support. So from here, how I will be trading? The first thing I need to know that Euro AUD is continue to the upside. So in most cases you see that this kind of things happen. Let me show you Euro dollar. See, this is, you see what happened with Euro dollar. It goes up, went up, looks like a reversal. You see, look like a reversal, and then immediately came back, okay, with a false breakout to the downside. So this is a normal phenomenon in the market, and that's why you see, when I see that this channel euro dollar has broken, now we are in euro dollar 4 hour, broken upside, created this false breakout. That's why I'm telling that euro dollar might drop further, because it already grabbed enough liquidity from here and have a strong momentum to the downside. So with that being said, Euro AUD could reverse or could start to drop, or maybe they are very tricky big boys. What it could do, even will create one more green candle, and then immediately will reverse from here. Okay, this could happen, but to be honest, I will not trade Euro AUD to the long side, because you see, when you see this kind of market, okay, such a enormously downtrending market, I can't trade to the short side. But it also could do like that. You see, there is if I draw this trend line, you see there is a resistance here, and it could do that. It could go up again to this level and then could drop again to create new lower low. So situation is very complicated, but I think this is the most likely scenario, that Euro AUD will rise up to this level, to this resistance, and then will drop from here. So everything I will decide based on how the price action is being formed. So this is the situation with Euro AUD. RV1 brother, can you do GBP USD? Yes, RV, I was thinking about GBP USD. Let's see, GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD, you see, this is not a very good market structure for trading, but let me show you on the daily time frame. You saw that after this false breakout to the upside, back to back we saw 2 days GBP USD in this zone. So you see, one important thing you need to keep in mind in GBP USD, that's how I normally read the market structure. You see, previous day the price went here, right? That's how you need to see how the market was. But today what happened, GBP USD, see, it couldn't break the previous day's high, right? So what does it mean? Little lower, okay, lower high created. What does it mean? It means that in the first attempt in this day, after the breakout to the downside, first attempt, the buyers have been able to bounce the ball to this level. Okay, now then when the seller pushed the price again, the buyers have got today another chance. Okay, but what happened when they punched the ball to the upside, couple of buyers, you know, fall down and broke their leg. So the buyers, what happened? The buyers became weaker, right? As a result, they couldn't create a new higher high. Okay, so keep in mind, when a level is tested, let's say a level is being tested. Now, how do you know that a level is tested? It will retain or it will go up again. If in the first attempt, let's say it creates like that, in the second attempt it creates like this, in the third attempt it creates like this, that means that buyers getting weaker, this is the resistance. So then in the third attempt you will see the price moving down. So that's how the market works. That's how you need to read price action. So with that being said, see, today in GBP USD, the buyers couldn't create new higher high. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now you saw on the 4-hour, what did the buyers did? Created an inverted hammer. But some people, we might say, okay, there is a double bottom here. Okay, you can read price action in many ways. There is a double bottom, there is a head and shoulder, there is a double bottom here, you know, there is a false breakout here, there is a double bottom here, there is a double top here. How can you read so many double top, forget about all of them. So always keep in mind that you need to keep in mind that the price action, like the what happened yesterday, how far they gone, and how the buyers and sellers reacting to the market. So to me, still I am bearish with GBP USD based on, as I told you. Now if it's a sideway market, that's why I'm still not sending any signal for GBP USD. But if you force me to trade, I will trade from here to the downside. Okay, so that's the situation with GBP USD. Now if you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash the like button, or also everyone smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. We are live streaming every day, including live analysis, strategies, and educational content that will help you in your trading. Okay, let's see gold. What's happening with gold? How we can trade gold. Okay, so gold, as I mentioned today also, I saw many of you joined. Dear Mark, Dr. Mark, good morning, Dr. Mark, thank you for joining. Nazir Ismailev, hi FX Wizard, I am in buy GBP CHF from 1.2173, target this one, but daily trend is somehow still bearish, not sure what to do now. It's continuously rejecting. Okay, I will see GBP CHF. Kakulan Telegraph, thank you for joining. Dr. Mark from Nigeria. Thank you, my friend. We have a lot of friends from Nigeria, from all around the world. Okay. RV, I honestly love you, brother. Where are you from? Let me guess, Nepal or Singapore. I am from the globe. I am global citizen. Okay. I live in Sydney for a very long time. Before I lived in Dubai and then came from Sydney. I'm a global citizen. So I don't have an identity. I dissolved my identity, as I shared with you before. Couple of years ago, I had a severe breakdown, a mental breakdown, and the doctor told that I have to eat medication for the rest of my life, and I got fat, a lot of body weight due to the medication, and I just I have woken up, and then I saw that I have to live my life in a different way. And I have a rebirth. You can say I completely changed my life, and that's from where I learned trading. This is my passion. So I posted before also. It's a long story, but anyway, now my goal is to create trader and also trade in my own account, and this is what I love, and I love to spend time with traders. So let's see what happened with what did I say, what we are discussing. Okay, gold. So let's see the gold. Gold is in a very, very narrow range. You see, this is the most if you want to lose money, I will advise you trade gold. Okay, this is the most money losing market. See, every day gold is creating one candle side by side. Okay, so going up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, so but one important thing, keep in mind, when the price create this kind of narrow pattern, there could be a strong breakout. Okay, it could be to the upside or could be to the downside. So the only way to trade now gold is to wait for the breakout. So no one knows which way will break out. I think that it could break out to the downside, or if it breakouts, it will create a bullish structure. If it creates a structure like this, then I'll say that bullish. It could be bullish. So whichever way it breaks, the only way to trade now gold is to wait for, let's say, if you want to trade, I'll say that I need this. You see, there is a support here on gold. There is a support here. There is a support here. Quite a few daily candles created this level of support, and with that support, what happened? Gold is narrowing down. So at some point, either to the downside or to the upside, gold will break. So if it breaks to the upside, then what I will do is I will be waiting for, because when you see this kind of range is broken, you can expect again the price come down to test this one as a support and will rise. So at that point, I will be buying gold if it comes down, or if it breaks down, then I will be waiting for the price to test this support as a resistance. Then I will be selling. The only thing I can say on gold is this, because it's a very, very narrow range and not a good idea. I will not advise you to trade gold. Smash the like button now, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new. Every day we live stream from this Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So let's see what else we have. Trading opportunity. USD CAD is how it is doing. So USD CAD, still not clear what you'll do. We'll come back. So I saw one pair maybe giving some trading opportunity, is maybe NZD CHF could give us a short opportunity. So let's discuss that one. And in the meantime, so let's see NZD CHF how it is doing. Now look at this one here. If you see the weekly, as I told you, on the weekly there has been a bearish engulfer, and the price went at the top. See, the candle has not been broken. Now we see that the sellers now pushing the price down with NZD CHF. So daily as well, we saw that there is a doji formed on the daily, and today we saw that the price trying to break down. So I think NZD CHF could break down, could break down, because it has already created a double top with a lower high. So if you want to know more about what happened when double top with a lower high, I have a completely dedicated video on my YouTube channel. Watch that. The link should be in the description in the video, or you can jump onto my YouTube channel, subscribe, and then watch that video. You will learn a lot. So I think NZD CHF, let's see 4 hour, I think it is trying to create a bearish price action. As you can see that it has created a double top, as I told you, the lower high, and here also double top and broke down. So currently this is the nearest level of support and resistance for NZD CHF. There is a resistance here, support here, and I think that NZD CHF slowly could drop. Let's see how this candle is closing. If this one closes like this as a doji, then we might see that NZD CHF dropping down. Let's see what happened. So this is the situation with NZD CHF. Let's see what other currency pairs giving us trading opportunity. In the meantime, on the right side there is a chat area. You can request your favorite pair to analyze. I'll go through all of them one by one. So let's go back to Aussie dollar. I think that Aussie dollar may give us a trading opportunity tonight. Let's see how it is working. So let's see on Aussie dollar how the price is doing. Let's see Aussie dollar. Okay, so Aussie dollar, what it is doing, currently Aussie dollar in this level of support. Okay, you see in this level of support. Now if you see 52 minutes remaining for this 4 hour candle, now if this one cannot break the previous doji's high, and closes as a doji here, narrow doji, and I think that Aussie dollar will have, you said that yesterday when the Aussie dollar was here, you remember what did I say, that Aussie dollar will drop, and I also send trade signal to my VIP members from here, and we made 1-to-1 risk to reward, because I didn't take much profit on this one, as Aussie dollar is in a bullish momentum. I could take at least 1-to-3 with our VIP members, but we closed with 1-to-1. Now if you want to join our team, there is a link in the description. There is a Easter discount going on. It might be for a limited period of time. You can join if you like. So what we are seeing that currently you see that Aussie dollar is trying to rise up. So let's see what happened at the end of the stream. I will give another preview of what could happen with Aussie dollar. Should it go rise up or it should break down? So let's see what happened. We'll see one by one. So Gbpusd, as I told you that it's still creating a bearish price action. So this is Gbpusd is creating a bearish price action. So let's see what's happening with you see there is a inverted hammer here. So and from here we see that with this green candle the price is creating price still couldn't break this high. It's still creating a lower high and lower low. So I will wait for this candle close, and I think that it is still bearish, and I will be still on the sell side with Gbpusd. As you can see that on the monthly and weekly and daily, Gbpusd is bearish. If you see the weekly time frame, it is also creating a bearish price action. So normally when see this kind of price action, what happened, the price normally create a smaller candle, okay, and then break down. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting for GBPUSD. Let's see daily as well. As I told you already, GBPUSD has created a lower high on this daily time frame, so we might see that GBPUSD is dropping. So let's see what other pairs we are what are we asked, brother, do you agree that it is a foolish to trade with a small account? What your thought? RB, I don't understand what you mean, but better to trade in a smaller account. Okay, better to trade in a smaller account, always better, until you become a very proficient. Then you can think of increasing your account until you become a consistently profitable. So let's see GBP CHF. One of our subscriber asked for GBP CHF. So currently, let's see first of all multi-time frame monthly. Okay, monthly, what we saw that GBP CHF came to this level of support. So this is a very strong level of support, and we saw that primarily a reaction to the upside. So let's see weekly. What we see that weekly, this is the first week of the month. We saw as soon as the weekly close, primarily a reaction to the upside. So let's see daily. Now daily, you see GBP CHF is still bearish. Let me reload this one. I don't know why this is not going. Okay, all right, so let's see GBP CHF. Let's go back to GBP CHF, guys. So what we are seeing that on GBP CHF, you can see that today the price is still below this level of resistance. So let's draw this here again. So you saw that there is a support here, resistance here. Now it is testing as a resistance, and also it is just below this daily 20 period moving average. So let's see on the 4 hour now again. Now what it is doing, this price action on GBP CHF is, I think, is still bearish, but at any point you could see bullish move, because you see this is a very irregular price action. This market structure is not I normally don't trade this kind of market structure. I need market structure something like, say for example, Aussie dollar or Aussie yen, let's say or not Aussie yen, dollar yen. You see this is a nice trending market structure. Or maybe Aussie dollar, you see this is a nice trending market structure. So I need this kind of market structure for trading. I normally don't trade this clumsy market structure. So Mark froze. So can you see now live stream froze? I have heard Mark was saying. So are we ask, I have very good, how do you trade fundamentals? Okay, are we asking an important question? How, I have a very important question. How do you trade fundamental? I feel like I have missed out of this fundamentals part of trading. Okay, I see that live stream freeze. Why this happens? Okay, so can you see me now? Can you let me write down? Can you see me now? Sometimes the connection creates a trouble. Okay, that's great. but I see on my screen is still the old one. It's fine now. Okay, that's great then. That's great that it's fine. Okay, Boma, yes, okay, it's fine now. Let me check if it is okay. So if it is fine, then fine. Whenever you see live stream is not working properly, please let me know, because I'm only on the operating section, because when there is a live stream, there is no way, no other people can help in this thing. I have to control the live stream. So let me know in the chat what you are what other pairs that you are thinking, because when I am live streaming, sometimes I can't pay attention what's happening in the market. Sometimes you need to remind me. So what we are seeing currently, that basically USD CAD also creating a long wick candle. We might see dollar getting stronger. You see dollar yen against yen dollar is getting stronger. So let's see what happened. So most of the pairs, you know, trying to, so let's see GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY also is showing a bullish price action. So Euro JPY, okay, Euro JPY overall bullish. Okay, overall bullish. Now we see that Euro JPY creating a bullish candle. Now let me see that Euro JPY, what happened with the daily. Okay, if this one broke to the upside, Euro JPY, it could give us a bullish engulfer. If it breaks above, may give us a trading opportunity, because it has already, Euro JPY, as you can see, it has already created a inverted head and shoulder in this level of support and creating a bullish engulfer. And I think that let me see the monthly chart, what happened. Okay, monthly as well, Euro JPY is bullish. You saw there is a big bullish candle is created with this long wick at the top and long wick at the bottom. Pardon me. And also weekly, we saw that there was a candle, the price came down to this level of support and now pushing to the upside. So let's see daily what's happening. Okay, daily as well, we saw that back to back 2 days we saw two dojis. Now today the price came down, crossed the previous day's doji and trying to push to the upside. So I think that Euro JPY, as you see that this is a double doji has been created, and after this double doji we see that the price now pushing to the upside. So Euro JPY, let's see 4 hour. Okay, if this one closes as a bullish candle and close and break this level of resistance, okay, so we might see that Euro JPY testing this resistance as a support. You see there is a resistance here, tested as a support, and we might see that Euro JPY pushing to the upside. Let's see how the candle closes. If it cannot break this high, it may even, you know, start to move again down. So far, because it's a long-term uptrend and, you know, creating a bullish structure, we could see that Euro JPY may be pushing to the upside. So okay, so what Rabi Good asked a question: what if last 4 hour candle Euro CHF closed above the last one? Is it better to wait for short? Okay, so I think that, you know, let's go to Euro CHF again. Okay, now what it is doing is, but it's still, even, you know, even this one, even if this one closes above this, I will be still bearish. Because why? You see there is a level of support here. Let me draw this level of support. So you see there is a level of support here. Okay, now even this support basically have not been tested properly yet. It could be that it will go up again, test this one, and then will drop. Even it could go up here and then drop. So what happened when you see a long-term bearish market? Let's say this is the monthly, right? When you see a long-term bearish market, what we need to do is we need to wait for the price to create price to retrace and then move down. But at the same time, you see this is the daily bullish engulfer. I didn't trade this one to the long side. Normally this is a bullish engulfer. It could be a reversal as well. Okay, it could be a reversal. I could be wrong in this case, because you see there is a daily bullish engulfer, and this bullish engulfer, why I didn't buy here, the reason is because it's a long-term bearish market. Okay, that is the only confluence that we need to always keep in mind. One bullish engulfer cannot give you a guarantee that the price will go rise. So this bullish engulfer, what it could do, it can do that it will take the price here and then will drop again. So but that's how trader become profitable. When they win, they need to take a big money to cover the losses they have in the previous trade or 1 or 2 trades like that. So that's how trading is. Okay, so let's see NZD CHF. Now it is pushing to the upside. So today we see that most of the pair trying to reverse, but it's still not yet. Euro dollar as well is still, I'm bullish until I think euro dollar will be bullish. Okay, let's see daily. Okay, you see daily, you will see it clearly on the daily. You see, even you could see the daily candle closing somewhere here. Okay, if daily candle closes here, tomorrow is Thursday, pardon me, tomorrow is Friday, so Friday is the last day of trading week. If this daily candle closes like that, that means it still creates a lower high. I will be selling euro dollar again, because that means that this daily candle couldn't break the previous day's high and selling. Okay, so falling market, think of selling. Even if you hit a stop loss, let yourself hit stop loss, rather than always trading against the trend, always hitting stop loss. Sometime hitting stop loss, it's fine. So is the live streaming okay, guys and girls? Because in my screen I see that repeated things. Can let me know if you see the live streaming is working properly or no. Let's see what happening. Euro CHF, euro dollar, USD CHF. Let's see. Okay, all these are bullish. Okay, thank you, appreciate Rabi. Good, thank you for your compliment. So these are the pairs. Today looks like that live streaming is not working properly. There's a little bit of issue happening with the connection. Yeah, okay, that's great, Rabi. In my screen I see same thing repeated. Anyway, if you guys can see me, that's completely fine. So let me know what else you want to see, what currency pairs, and then slowly I will wrap up. So US oil is all the pairs now trying to reverse, because this is the first week of trading month, new month. So we'll slowly know what's happening. Is it reversing or it is going in the direction? So GBP CAD, let's see what's happening with GBP CAD. Let's see GBP CAD. Okay, so as you see that this one also, after this green candle, the price at the top, and GBP CAD is a long-term bearish market, and I'm bearish. You see the price now, you see there is a doji has been created, and this is a double doji. Okay, there is a double doji here with the GBP CAD, and it is on a level of resistance. Okay, so you see there is a resistance here, the same resistance. Okay, let me draw this line properly, then you will understand it. Okay, so you see there is a resistance if I draw all of them, and what you see here, there is a support. Okay, so what you see here, you see the price has created lower high, right? And look at the bottom, lower low, and the overall market, it's a bearish, so no buying, only selling. I see that GBP CAD is creating a double doji, so if this one closes as a double doji, I might think what I will do. I have to think a little more, but it's still bearish. Okay, let's see weekly. Let me see the bigger time frame. So weekly, you saw that weekly, though it is falling for a very, very long period of time, but it is bearish. You see, there is a weekly opening and closing came here, and the price just created a double doji on the 4 hour in this weekly opening and closing. And if you see the monthly, also same situation. And we might see, I need to see the price went closed above, but still it is a bearish price action. Okay, I'm not gonna buy until I see in any situation I'm not gonna buy GBP CAD. See how strong bearish market it is. Okay, so GBP CAD is bearish. If it break to the upside, okay, then I will be staying in the sideline. Maybe it will go up like that and then it will fall back again, but it could drop even from here, GBP CAD. Okay, so these are the situation with GBP CAD. Okay, cool. Thank you for joining. Let me know how you are trading. So we discussed most of the pairs, so let's see what's happening with the crypto. Now crypto dropped down, now again trying to pick up, so we don't know what's happening with the crypto. We need to see further confirmation. Let's keep aside crypto, focus on the pairs that is giving us trading opportunity. So today so far I think Eurusdjpy showing bullish move so far. Okay, and euro dollar, they are in a sideway. Euro CAD also trying to reverse, but I think still it's bearish. Euro GBP also created a bearish engulfer and then closed trying to go above. So if in what situation I will be considering, let's say Euro GBP as a reversal, I need to see a clearly visible head and shoulder here, and then we might see a push like that. So we need to see that like this, you see, then we can consider that it's a reversal. But looks like euro getting stronger, and if it become bullish, it needs next week. Let's see weekly candle on the Euro GBP. You see, we need a next week because this is a very, very important level of support on the weekly, and we see that the buyers buying from this weekly level of support. So it could be a bullish call. Let's see what happened, and over time I will definitely advise you. Said Mehdi Madani requested for CAD JPY. So let's see what's happening with the CAD JPY, and then we'll see next CAD JPY. So CAD JPY, all the JPY pair is bullish. CAD JPY also bullish. Now CAD JPY is nicely bullish because, let me tell you, is you see there is a trend line here. Okay, CAD was moving along, CAD JPY was moving along this trend line, and you see there is a level of support and resistance together. So CAD JPY is creating like that, you see. So there is a support here, pardon me, resistance here, acted as a support. Now we see that from here it broke down to this level of support, but trend is still up. Overall trend, you see, this is the overall trend. So overall trend is still up, right? And from here we can see that CAD JPY should go up. If it in case drop, it's a different story, but the trend is always your friend. So CAD JPY is up. If traded, stop loss could be below this low, target could be at least 1 to 2 or more. So this could be situation with the CAD JPY. So this is the situation with all these pairs. Let me know if you have any other request. I might wrap up the live stream. So it was really good time to have time with you. Someday we find some good trading opportunity, someday we may not find, so that's completely fine. Trading is like that. You cannot find trade every day. Okay, sometime you need to be patient. Today looks like a bit quieter than yesterday because pairs are moving up and down, but still there are some yen pairs are bullish. Other than this, Euro CHF, Samuel, we have already discussed Euro CHF. After the end of the stream, you can go back and review the stream. You can find Euro CHF, we have already discussed. So that's the situation with all these pairs. Trade safe, stay happy. Tomorrow Friday we will definitely have trade, so make sure you stay in time. Smash the like button now and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for joining this live stream. Much love.